ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
ثلاثة وثمانون
83.
83.
الماضي 3
Past tense 3.
Past tense 3.
يتصل تليفونيا
To make a call.
To make a call.
لقد اتصلت تليفونيا
I made a call.
I made a call.
لقد اتصلت تليفونيا طيلة الوقت
I was talking on the phone all the time.
I was talking on the phone all the time.
يسأل
To ask.
To ask.
لقد سألت
I asked.
I asked.
لقد سألت دائما
I always asked.
I always asked.
يحكي
To narrate.
To narrate.
لقد حكيت
I narrated.
I narrated.
لقد حكيت كل الحكاية
I narrated the whole story.
I narrated the whole story.
يتعلم
To study.
To study.
لقد ذاكرت
I studied.
I studied.
لقد ذاكرت طوال المساء
I studied the whole evening.
I studied the whole evening.
يشتغل
To work.
To work.
لقد اشتغلت
I worked.
I worked.
لقد اشتغلت طوال اليوم
I worked all day long.
I worked all day long.
يأكل
To eat.
To eat.
لقد أكلت
I ate.
I ate.
لقد أكلت كل الطعام
I ate all the food.
I ate all the food.